Hey, yo, Josh, TLT, the greatest of all time. Come on in, baby. It's Judgment Day. And what that means is the flip should be ready to go. Let's go. Check this out. Fireplace is done. I feel good. Follow me to the kitchen. Oh, wait. Look at all these messed up paintings on the wall. Look at this. We had to retexture the whole house. But come here. Check this out. Woo! Ah! Bam! New backsplash. Shout out to the new backsplash. They ran out of tile. Check this out. 99 problems and tile is one, baby. So it's going to be all the way up, not around. That'd be weird. But back through here. Boom, 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 boom. Shout out to Fez. Fez, your lights no longer are here. We had to take them down, put them back up. Follow me. Where'd you go? Oh, here we go. Nothing here, really. Texture, whatever. Check out the bathroom. We got the new tile. Woo! Look at that new tile. But Fez, where's Fez at? Fez, you got to reinstall this. Fez, come on, man. I paid you $0. You got to do better than that, bro. No more kebab shop, bro. I was going to get you kebab shop for life. Not anymore, bro. Shout out to kebab shop. All right, come on. I'm getting tired. Oh, you guys didn't see the stairs. Look at the stairs. Check out the stairs. This shit is hot, baby. $2,800, fam, for this. Look at this. He fucked up right here. Oh, bleep that out. Stairs are all in. We're going to do some baseboards, but that didn't look good, so we're going to repaint here. Lots of bugs tonight. All right, more texture on the wall. So if you guys were on the live this morning, you saw me taping blue tape everywhere. So those are all the blue tape marks. Be careful, wet paint. I leaned on it earlier. Still dripping. Horrible paint job. Look at this. There's no sign or nothing, bro. All right, check out this. Look at it. I forgot to take this off. Who has cable TV anymore with a cable? Trim that shit. Look at this. First time I've ever seen a landline. That's a phone line. I don't even know why that's here in America. Come on, follow me. Bathroom's all done. Check it out. Looks good. I mean, not good, but good enough. Look at this shit works, bro. Woo! You ever so happy to see water work? All right. Here comes the money shot. Come on. I'm getting tired. Bam! Look at that. Come on, follow me. Come follow. Oh, honey, stop! I'm taking a shower. I wish this was like tinted. This is like awkward. Do people like this? I guess they do, but this right here, shout out to Wayfair. Ooh, it fits 2 people? That's kind of weird. 2, yeah, whatever floats your boat. But Wayfair, we couldn't find this piece of glass anywhere. I ordered it on Wayfair 2 days ago. Shipped right to the house. They installed it. Looks good. I'm feeling it. Now, this is all done. Sorry, that was really loud. I apologize. These don't work yet. They will tomorrow. But they look good. Now, let's talk about the bad news. That's the good news. I mean, bad news, we had to repaint. We're going to repaint the whole house. Front, outside, inside, everything has to be repainted. Lots of touch-ups. There's still holes in the wall because we don't know if the plumbing for sure works. We had to get all new vents because they were lazy and didn't remove the vents. So there's a lot of things that have to be done tomorrow and Sunday. The due date was today for Patron Mario. He wanted to get money. I said, cool, you finish? I'll give you money. And he didn't finish. So it was an awkward conversation of, hey, where's my money? And I was like, hey, where's my finished project? Because look, it's not even done. Watch out for the pile of shit. So a lot of things went backwards today, but you need to move backwards sometimes to go forward. You need to figure out what you did wrong and then fix it. So tomorrow, this time, we should have everything touched up again and repainted. It's going to look good. It's going to look great. Now, update on the hard money. We'll do a different video on that too. But good news is they're wiring me my money. The inspector came. He signed off on everything, so it was good enough for the inspection. And then on Monday, I get replenished. Because after this week of stock market and crypto crash, bro, I'm like hungry. Do I look skinnier? I feel skinnier because I haven't had food all week because of crypto. Anyways, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoy the house. I mean, you guys can walk around, do what you got to do, but you guys got to get out because we got to paint. Peace.